Got an old, saggy couch taking up space in your garage? Or maybe that 90s treadmill has finally become a permanent clothes rack? If you live in Surrey, don't pay a junk removal company just yet. You can actually get these big items hauled away for free right from your curb. I'm talking appliances, furniture, and even mattresses. Today we're breaking down exactly how to use the City of Surrey's large item pickup program so you can clear the clutter without spending a dime. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of who can use this and how much you get. If your home gets City Waste Collection, you are eligible for up to 6 items per year. If you have a registered secondary suite, that limit bumps up to 8 items per year. For those of you in apartments or condos with City Recycling, you get 4 items per year, but you'll need to coordinate that through your property manager or strata. You can't just book it yourself. A huge tip: these limits reset to 0 every year. You can't carry over unused pickups, so use them or lose them. To get started, you have to schedule it. Do not just put your stuff on the curb and hope for the best. The city considers that illegal dumping, and you could get fined. You can book your spot online at surrey.ca or call 604-590-7289, option 3. Once you're booked, put your items out by 7:30 a.m. on your scheduled day. Just a heads up, different trucks pick up different things. If the truck takes your old stove but leaves the sofa, don't panic. They have until 7:30 p.m. to finish the job. Also, if your items are accidentally missed, make sure to report the missed pickup within 3 business days. Now let's talk about the gotchas, because if you don't follow these specific rules, the city will leave your junk right where it is. First, the mattress rules. This is the big one. If you are getting rid of a mattress or box spring, it must be individually wrapped and sealed in a clear plastic bag. If it's naked, they won't touch it. The cool part? The city actually gives out free mattress bags. You can grab them at the Cart Storage Yard at 14577 66th Avenue, Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. You must bring your service request number with you, and a bag is only provided if a mattress was included in your pickup request. Note that the free bags are 78 inches by 8 inches by 90 inches. If your mattress doesn't fit those dimensions, you'll need to purchase your own bag. Second, the glass rule. The city will not take large pieces of glass or mirrors. That means if your old dresser has a mirror or your coffee table has a glass top, you have to remove the glass yourself and take it to either the Central Surrey or North Surrey Recycling and Waste Center. They will, however, take a box of small glass jars if you place them in a cardboard box and label it "Box of Household Items." Third, the no list. They will take barbecues, but not the propane tanks, tires, passenger vehicle and light-duty truck tires only, and even treadmills. But they will not take renovation waste like drywall, sinks, toilets, cabinetry, countertops, or windows, pianos or musical instruments, lithium-ion battery equipment like e-scooters, e-bikes, or electric wheelchairs, car parts, or commercial waste. And finally, watch out for the cancellation policy. If you need to change or cancel your pickup, you must do it at least 2 business days before the scheduled date. If you cancel late, it will still count as 1 item toward your annual limit. This program is one of the best perks of living in Surrey, so make sure you're taking advantage of it to keep our neighborhoods clean. Be sure to check the City of Surrey website for the full list of accepted items, or just click the link in our description. The link is right there. This information is accurate as of the time of recording. Always check the city website for details or updated info. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Local Fellas for more tips on making the most of life in Metro Vancouver. See you in the next one.